Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. This is Umair from Tutorials Hub. In this one we will be talking about how to find suppliers for TikTok shop. So it is actually pretty simple, but before we dive into the video, make sure to stick till the end of this video and head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can now officially donate to our channel. So thank you so much for watching, and as well make sure to subscribe. So yeah, now the first thing is conduct marketing research. Now of course, whatever you are trying to sell, you need to search the market, its demand, its trend, how people are interested in that product, and once you do, you will eventually come up with some leads that you can contact and get your suppliers from there. And then after you conduct a marketing research, set a budget. Now of course, many sellers and suppliers are dependent on basically budget, so make sure you actually do that. And then you are going to be finding a reliable suppliers and evaluate supplier and product quality. Once you do that, you need to calculate profit margins and a few more steps that you can see through and just go through. So basically, you have to calculate each and everything and just filter out what is the best method to fetch those suppliers that are perfectly, basically, what do you say, tailored for your needs. So you need to do the work for yourself, and yeah, that's how you can do that. And also guys, make sure to still head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel if you found these information helpful. And yeah, make sure to subscribe as well. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.